Here, just grab this real quick. Let's just give this a good tug.
Oh, don't break it.
Why? Fuck it.
Hold on, take that.
Are you done yet? Now I have to rewire all that shit.
It's coming out.
Hey! Give me that.
Squint.
Give me that shit.
Get the other side.
Quit fucking moving it.
Oh.
It's really hard one-handed. Oh shit!
Watch that, you cut a wire.
I almost lost my eyeballs. Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa, whoa! Don't break that. Somebody might buy that one day. All right.
You're right. You're right. What about that?
Push it my way. Push it my way.
Oh, it's stuck. Whoa, buddy wasn't good enough to unplug this fucking.
Oh shit! That's an important one.
It is important.
This is why you get a little Mario to run around for you. You're like baby Mario. Oh shit. Yeah, that's a good dash still.
Alright, I got it. Get over here.
Why would you take it that way? You gotta come over here. Oh my god, this thing. Holy, break the place. Get her placed already.
It's over for that fucking dash.
And that's how you remove one dash.